Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Facebook Lite account. So if you also want to log in Facebook Lite account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Facebook Lite is basically like Facebook. It takes up less space on your device. So if you want to log into Facebook Lite account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook Lite application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Facebook Lite application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you do not have an account, you can create a new account. Simply tap on the option create new account. After that, you'll be able to create the new account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, it is very simple. For that, all you have to do is enter these details. First of all, enter your mobile number or email. Here I'm just going to enter my email. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, simply tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after entering all the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now, after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Facebook Lite account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.